Alright, what's up, y'all? Yellowbone, the neighborhood customizer. Check me out, man. It's like 3:50 in the morning, so I'm trying to be quiet. Kids are asleep, wife's asleep. Up hustling right now, grinding out some visors and some shirts. And I stopped on my visors so I could show y'all on my last visor how I'm hooping to do the side stitch on these visors. How I'm hooping them on my hat hoop, okay? Excuse the mess in my workroom. It's been a busy week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. It's been busy. It's been busy, y'all. I'm tired. But anyways, so this is how I'm gonna show you how I hoop this on my hat hoop. I've got this one on the machine. Let me take it off. All right, so here's my last visor right here to run. And what I'm gonna do is you do this just like you're doing a hat. Flip out your insides. And then I'm gonna hoop it without the backing, okay? I've got a piece of backing right here folded in half that I'm gonna use, tearaway backing. I just took this little piece and folded it hot dog style. Just doing a little piece of wording. So it's not like it's got to be a big piece. But I'm gonna go ahead and hoop this like a regular hat. Go ahead and get my sweatband underneath my clip. And I'm gonna set this. And when I set it, I'm gonna go ahead and offset it because I'm going on the side just like I would do a cap on my hoop driver. My cap driver, whatever. Cap hoop, sorry. So late. I'm so tired, I can't think. So once you get this thing set to that offset, you're just gonna follow this stitch line on the bottom with the teeth right here. You want that stitch line following the teeth of that, but you want it right on the outside of the teeth. So really the ridge right here is what's gonna go on the teeth and what you're gonna want to clamp down. Let's see. I like to walk this up. Yeah, y'all can see that. Walk it up with my fingers. I'm still holding up here on my hat so that I've got everything strong. I can even pull with this, give it some pull to give it a nice strong base in there, a nice strong clamp in there. I'm gonna just come all the way over and clamp it down. Now what I want to look for is the thread that I was following. You see how you can't see the thread? I don't want it like that. I want to be able to see the thread on the outside of this teeth and barely on the outside of this clip right here. I just want to barely be able to see it, so I'm going to rehoop this. Alright, got it set and offset. Now this time, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to walk this over. I'm going to clip it on there, but I'm not going to actually clamp it down. And then I can kind of take it off, play with my hat bill. And right here at the very bottom is where you want to get that first tooth on this clamp ring to grab onto right above those threads. There we go. That's a little bit better out here. I can see my threads right outside these teeth of the clamp. I want a little bit more over here, so I'm going to, not gonna unclamp it, I'm gonna loosen it. And I'm gonna kinda just barely pull and then reclamp it while I'm doing that. A little too much, but it went back. There we go. Shoot all out of there. You see how I can just manipulate it with my fingers. There we go. Can you see that? I don't know that you can actually see that thread, but that little thread seam is running the top of this clamp ring right here, this clamp arm. And that's how you want it. That's how you want it on there. I'm gonna go ahead and run it. And it's following that seam. And you can, if you notice, when you follow that seam and you come straight up, it runs right into the bill of that hat, which is what these teeth are running on the outside of. So if you were to be able to see underneath this, you would see the seam right on the outside of these teeth. So that's the same thing you're doing with these teeth down here. And that's how I figure that it'll line up together. So then, let's go ahead and put it on the machine. Alright. Just a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and press it. There it is, guys. Let's see. That's the stitch out right there. Let's take it off of the hat hoop. So that's how I use my hat hoop to embroider the side stitch of visors. Not as tough as it seems. Mighty hoops are probably a lot easier, but I don't have mighty hoops. And the hat hoop is magic, baby. Keep on hustling, everybody. Let's go.